Right, today we are in Surrey at an empty property. This is an end of tenancy carpet clean, and we're just going to go around to look at the condition of the carpet. Okay, there's lots of damage. It looks like an 80-20 wall mixed carpet. It's all furred up. That looks to me like cat damage. A cat's been crawling at it. The carpet is in pretty poor condition, really, in every room. This is probably the best, the area that's got the best condition carpet. But there's stains and there's still damage in areas. Okay, so we can't make this look new. We can certainly improve how it looks, but because it is damaged and it's old, it's well used, we can't work miracles, unfortunately, but we're going to have a go. We're going to give it our best shot. We've also got to clean the stairs as well, and that little area there at the bottom of the stairs. Some customers, when we submit a quote, will question why we are more expensive than some of the other quotes they've received. And the simple answer to that is because more than likely we're going to be offering a different service. So because we all know you get what you pay for, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this machine here and what it does. This is what we call a CRB machine, a contra rotating brush machine. There's two brushes at the bottom there, and they rotate one against the other, and what that does is it lifts the pile, and it will also remove things like pet hairs and things like that. Now, considering we've already vacuumed this carpet, that's the sort of hair and everything that we can remove, okay? So you're going to get a better quality clean when you book ProSteam. Now, once we have dry scrubbed this carpet to remove all the dry debris, we then apply a product that is a cleaner and also a disinfectant, and straight away, once you've brushed it into the carpet actually looks clean. But we don't stop there. Once we've done that, we then extract, and that's exactly what we're going to do next. Right, so we're on the extraction stage right now, and as you can see, quite a big difference. Okay, each stage the carpet will improve how it looks, but as you can see how it looks now compared to how it looked once we'd applied our product and brushed it in, massive difference. Okay, so there is life left in this carpet. So we're going to get the rest of it done, and we'll come back to it in a bit. Right, that's it, folks. All done. It wasn't a big job, but it was a job that had to be done properly. Reason why? Because this is an end of tenancy clean, carpet clean, I should say. And it's important that the carpets are cleaned properly, because if they're not, the client may not be able to get their deposit back from the landlord. And so in this case, the tenant understood the importance of booking a decent carpet cleaner rather than a cheap one. There are no cheap, decent carpet cleaners out there, folks. Okay, you get what you pay for at the end of the day. And we've managed to remove a lot of the stains and the spots on these carpets, and these carpets will be dry and ready for the next tenant to move in as of tomorrow. So there you go.